People ask me, should you hold gold in your portfolio? Should I hold gold in my portfolio? I don't know. Kind of depends who you are. Fact of the matter is, I did so badly trying to forecast gold when I was young that I made a solemn vow to never make a forecast about gold ever for the sake of good luck. And I never have since. I don't make forecasts about gold. Since I don't make forecasts about gold, I don't use it in portfolios because I know to accomplish what I need to accomplish, I don't need gold. But my point to you is if you can forecast gold well enough to justify putting it into your portfolio, then you don't need any advice from me at all about anything because gold is very volatile. About 80% of time, gold loses money. And then in the other 20% of time, it does very, very well. It's a commodity. It's volatile. It has these long periods of slowly losing money followed by these short bursts of big up move. And most people sell out of the gold that they've owned when it's just about to go up. They in and out at all the wrong times. My advice to you is if you know how to price things that well and trade that well, don't listen to me about anything. If you actually don't, there's a lot better ways than gold to build a portfolio to get to where you need to go to.